Your brain is powered by salt. Your brain needs energy in order to function, but it can't just use a power outlet or batteries. Instead, it uses sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium are supercharged charged atoms called ions, and these are what your brain uses to create electricity. This process of creating energy using sodium and potassium is called the sodium-potassium pump, and without it we would be cooked. Neurons are low-key kind of like batteries, as they have both a positive side and a negative side. However, your brain doesn't have metal and wires, so it uses ions such as sodium and potassium to create electricity. Your brain is able to pull this off because sodium and potassium ions both contain one positive charge, and by moving these ions, your brain can separate electric charges and create electricity. This is tricky, but stick with me. Inside every neuron there is a protein called the sodium-potassium pump. And this pump grabs 3 sodium ions from inside the cell and throws them out. Then it grabs 2 potassium ions from outside and pulls them in. 3 out. 2 inches. Again. This causes the inside of the cell to be more negative than the outside, and this is called a voltage. A voltage is essentially stored electrical energy, so now the cell is a charged battery, waiting to be used due to the sodium ions that are just itching to go back inside the cell. This particular voltage is called the membrane potential, about 70 millivolts, now that our little cell is at its membrane potential. When a neuron is activated, sodium channels open. Then sodium rushes inside. This causes the voltage to flip, and the inside of the cell becomes more positive than the outside. This creates an action potential and electrical signal. These electrical signals are literally a thought, a movement, or a memory. Remember to thank the sodium-potassium pump whenever you move or think, because this process is running non-stop inside your neurons to keep you from being fried.
Subscribe.